Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we'll be talking about some of important tips before buying a real estate property. So kung mag-i-invest kayo sa property is make sure to watch this video hanggang sa dulo. So, number 1 is research and location. So bago kayo bumili ng property guys, importante na mag-research tayo tungkol sa area. So check nyo yung proximity sa schools, hospitals, malls, and transportation. So, maganda i-consider yung meron developing area ba yung property or established na. No? So, mga SM, yan, may mga Robinson na mga dinadevelop. So, number 2 is budget and financing. So, kailangan malaman nyo ang total na cost, hindi lang yung presyo ng property. So, kasama na dito yung mga additional cost like taxes, fees, repairs. So, mag-set kayo ng budget and tingnan kung anong klase ng financing ang pwede sa inyo? Bank loans, pag-ibig, or cash financing. So, number 3 is property inspection.